It's a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. Take control of any situation. With an impressive amount of different seating and storage combinations, you can carry kids, dogs, groceries, luggage, nearly anything you can think of. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: streaming audio, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. New car test drive rights, the Dodge Grand Caravan offers amazing versatility with one of the most convenient cabins in its class. The flexible seating, abundance of storage space, and impressive entertainment options can make life easier for busy owners. Power, performance, passion, Dodge. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
At Alma Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram, we treat you like family. We're conveniently located at 2280 West Monroe Road in Alma.